They say respect all builds, but I don't respect this build.
So funny.
I don't respect the guy who put it together. I've never let him work on any of my cars.
He would never work on any of your cars, and he got nothing to worry about.
He's just not a good mechanic. You know what I mean? I wouldn't let a bad barber touch my hair, would I?
You do though.
True.
Looks cool. Looks cool. All scratched up. I like it. What are you filming, man? Get out of my face. God. What's on?
I'm trying to get better at filming myself. Since nobody else ever wants to film, I guess I'll just be the good filmer. You know?
Sure. Put those bolts on. Oh yeah. You can hold it on just for the sides for now until I get hot wet.
If I name the video "Sneezing and Working on Cars."
That's all we're doing.
Working on cars and sneezing.
You're sneezing off.
So he puts this car together, and basically they took off the crankshaft position sensor, and he didn't think that
Oh my
the car was
God.
running like crap because of the crankshaft position sensor, even though he knew that's what they took off.
Pretend like you wouldn't have done it.
Dude, if somebody would have told me
I told you.
that I just bought a motor, no, the guy, if I bought a motor and the guy said, hey, I took off the crankshaft position sensor, and then I put the car together and it's running like shit, the first thing I would have done was do
cap.
do 100%.
Cap.
You're a fool.
That is cap. More of these. More of these right here.
This is a E30.
I think they can sell.
Some of them might not.
Some of them might not though. So that's why we have to inform them.
Pretty windy.
Junkyard built, baby.
Junkyard built.
It's not just when you buy a car that's all apart. You know what I mean? This is what you're left with. Scrapping together, salvaging. Salvaging parts. For your parts pile.
I'm doing some B-roll.
You gotta get the back. The back actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna cut the springs today too if it runs.